Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am actually practicing to get the QuickBook Pro certificate. To do that module, I have some sample task which I'm going to practice. So I was just thinking while I'm practicing it, why not I'm sharing it as well with you guys so that you can able to see how it's look like, and if you stuck with any um, task you may get help, and this would be like future reference in case even I forget sometimes and I see my own videos and have a look that if you have a lack of practice then you can able to see. Well, let's jump to the exercise on module 1, which is getting started, and there is no exercise, but module 2 is money in, whereas the first exercise is to create a sample invoice. The task is said like we have to create a sample invoice with some details on it. So let's see if we can do that. I'm going to click on the new on the navigation panel, then click on invoice. And by the way, I'm on the demo version of the QuickBook, which is a sample company. Some information already been given there. Now I'm going to create a new invoice. On the customer, it says the customer name is Edwin Co. Let's see, first I'm going to type if I have any customer, because I can see the Edwin Co already in there. So because this demo version is given by the QuickBooks, so the customer is already there. I can see the customer email and the billing address, every information already filled up in there. But if you don't have, then you can put the email address, billing address, then the terms. On the drop down you have some 3-4 options, or you can create your own option. Then it's asking for the date is 8th of October 2020. So 8th of October 2020. Just giving you one shortcut. So assume we're in 2024 and the date is 8 October 2024. Then in that case, if you just put 0810, then tab would be enough. You don't need to put this year. And this video is creating in 21st of March. So if we're in this month, say if we put just 20 and tab, that will be giving you like 20th of March 2024. This is like a shortcut if you doing the current task, current month or current year task. So let's go for our main exercise, which is 8th of October 2020. So 081020 tab, and the due date came automatically after 30 days because the net 30 is our terms. Now the product and service, it says employee celebration. Now if I click on the product and service, if I put EMP, it's already created because it is a demo version, it's already being done. If it's not, you can click add new and do it. So I'm going to put the employee celebration, and the amount is 500, is already given there, so I can put 500. The rate is 500 as well. So VAT is 20%. I can change the VAT if I have like no VAT, or it is an exempted, or it is a 0%, then I can put all these options, but at the moment here is 20%. And I will ignore the class because it says they ignore the class. Check the invoice total is 600. Yeah, subtotal is 500, and the VAT is 100. So the total balance due is 600. and it's a ignore the class and location, click save and new. So click save and new. That's it, that's the first task.